We're here at Pettyjohns, and it is nice early in the morning, 8 o'clock exactly. I did not bring my watch. I just don't feel like putting it on.
Well, I mean, honest.
Right?
Yep. Yeah, it's ironic because we're going in exactly when we came out last time.
All right. Here we are. We're here. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh. Oh, it's so dry down here, man. Night and day. Oh, there's that mist. Yeah, we decided this time that we were going to do a little bit more of a like looking around because we kind of just was on a mission last time.
Yeah, well, we didn't know how much time we were.
Well, you know, down to the pancakes, through the pancake and back 3 hours. So it's a while, but yeah, we just literally walked past all this stuff, which it's beautiful in its own right. Okay, okay. It's definitely a drop that you can get into it from the other way. And then this way kind of leads into its own thing. All right. Yeah, so this is where the back end of that one thing went. So I'm going to go over there and check that out. Oh. Oh, dude, there's like a whole other room back here. Oh. Say what? Yeah, just come back here. You don't have to come down, but definitely come back here and check it out. Oh, dude, that's sweet. So this is the bottom of that area that we were just up over there. Oh, wowee. You just gotta watch your step. It's pretty precarious. But I am intrigued. I'm just talking to you, the audience, to me, to my...
No, you're all good. I'm trying to get down there.
Yeah. It's just real slippery. Thank God for knee pads. All right. I mean, it goes. Whoa. He's a tiny guy. There's the size of my finger. Whoa. Makes you think whenever you're standing, huh? Ow. Okay. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I'm just looking. Believe me, down here it's not so easy itself. That's why I was like, yeah, maybe sit this one out. But we made it. We lived. Yeah, man. All right, we're both up here. Let's get it. Oh, yeah.
This one was a little weird one.
Yeah, you just got to do like a whole bunch of squats ups and stuff. But dude, it's not at all wet like it was last time. That's the best part. Yeah. Yeah, see what I'm saying? It's a lot better than last time. Looks like you could go up. I mean, he's nice. He's nice, except for the trash. Here's some bolts. I guess if you were super scared, yeah, you couldn't just down climb that. Yeah, man. We'll start crawling our way that way.
Sounds good.
And then back down that way. Whee! Oh, yep, there's the bolt right there. So there are bolts up here. Man, it's just a deep, dark abyss.
I know, I saw that, like looking at, like, dude, it's just a flat rock.
It's just a big flat rock on nothing that falls into absolutely an abyss.
Not great. If someone was brave enough, it looks like they could crawl into these things, which looks way too high for it to get into. But if you could,
Yeah.
it looks like you get some. That's like next level.
Yeah, getting it crawling into this stuff. That's like next level caving. It is amazing though.
You want to see if I can shine it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not yet.
Wow.
Look at that. Man. It just keeps on going. Like, whatever way you look at, even my light can't hit all of it.
Yeah. So if we kept going that way, that'll take us to the volcano with the autograph.
Oh, so you go up to this again, and then...
yeah, so you go back up.
Oh, okay. So,
That's
and
where
that
I'm
looks
trying
like that's where the top is.
That's where was trying to, for us to get to, because there's that little bulb thing.
Yeah.
That breakdown is.
Yep.
You keep going past that, and it takes you through some tunnels, and you finally get into like the formation. See you on the other side. All right. So this is probably one of my favorite rooms. Oh wow, yeah, the light's shining straight down here. Say what? Yeah, you're about to see me. So it does lead to it. Hey, buddy. Oh, dude, somebody dropped their light down here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They probably was like, no, well, you know, we can't
Yeah.
do that. They didn't realize that it connects to that.
Huh. All right.
Dig it. Hey, you find booty in the cave.
Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. I absolutely love this area. All right. It's almost like an impossibility not to hit your fucking camera. Going through these things, you're like, I got a huge 7-8 inch camera hanging up over my head. All right. And here it is. One of my favorite rooms. The signature room. Just a lot more drier in here now. Oh, there's a bat. Say what? Yeah, I'm good. These columns are amazing. Really tight fit. Yeah, man. What a hike. Hey. It's cool thing about sticking around the entrance. That way you can find all these passages and see where they go. Whoa. So that kind of drops. Because I'm sending it. Get that other foot out. There you go. You're good. You're solid, bro. I said, damn. Looking good, dude. Whee! All right. Heck yeah, dude.
Just can't feel where I'm
Don't-
at. That's the exit.
There's the exit. EX. Get out of here.
Get out of here, boys.
Get out of here.
You already did enough caving.
Enough caving, boys. Time to go find more caves.
Time to find more caves.
Yeah, right on the exit. Thanks, guy.
Yeah, I mean, that's cool.
All right, we are out.
Looks like really up close.
There's the sun.
And that's how to get out of Pettyjohns Cave.